Hello, welcome to the Spoon Fork Heart Kitchen. สวัสดีค่ะ My name is Siri. Today I'm going to show you how to make Thai style sweet and sour chicken or ผัดเปรี้ยวหวาน Before we start cooking, I already cut my chicken into the bite size and all the vegetable I cut into the bite size, and I will tell you how much I use when I cooking. For make it easier, I will start make our sauce first before we start cooking. Okay, first I'm gonna use the tomato sauce. I will use 4 tablespoons tomato sauce. And next 1 tablespoon fish sauce. Next, 1.5 tablespoon golden mountain soy sauce. It's a new bottle. It will be a little bit harder for me to. And next, 2 tablespoon our oyster sauce. Okay, all the sauce go in, and I'm gonna use a 1/4 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoon cornstarch, and 1.5 tablespoon brown sugar, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon white pepper. Alright, and now I'm gonna mix everything well together. Okay, and now I have my sauce finished and set on the side, and my stove I put on the low heat, and I'm gonna add the 2 tablespoons the vegetable oil. Okay, and I have 3 cloves the garlic. Okay, and now I'm gonna stir until the garlic turn the color to golden brown and give you a really good smell before I add the chicken. Okay, and now my garlic start changing color and give me really good smell already. I'm gonna add the chicken. I use 10 ounce for the chicken breast. Okay, and for the chicken, I cut them a little bit big so they're not getting too dry. And also, if you want to change the protein for this recipe, you can change to a shrimp or you can change to the pork. It will turn out very good also. Okay, now my chicken is halfway done, and I'm gonna put our sauce. Okay, add all the sauce. Try to put it all. Okay, and now we're gonna give the good mix. Now when the sauce starts getting boiled, I will add the white onion. I use 1 cup. I cut into the square size. First, 1 cup the white onion go in. And 1 cup of the cherry tomato cut half go in. To the color. Alright. And next, I have 1 cup sweet pepper. Cut into the square size also. Go in. Oh, the smell really good already. This sweet and sour chicken is different than the normal that you see in the restaurant because this is Thai style. This sweet and sour chicken, I eat this when I'm young, and then they're so good. They have all vegetable, the color and everything makes this so delicious. That's why I want to share with you. Okay, and next I will add cucumber. Not be surprised. I add the cucumber. This is just a Thai style. That's why we add the cucumber into the stir fry dish. But this is normal for Thai food actually. I know some people might eat cucumber just for fruit or just for salad. But yes, we do put cucumber into the stir fry or cooking something else sometimes too. Okay, and last thing I'm gonna add in here is not last actually. Okay, next I'm gonna add pineapple. 1 cup also pineapple. and also 1 cup of the cucumber. Okay. Give this a good mix again. In Thailand, we call this sweet and sour because it's tomato and pineapple. And also all the vegetable you put in here, it tastes sweet. Also, it's sour. That's why we call it the sweet and sour. Okay. And the last ingredient. Before I thought I would put last ingredient when I put pineapple. Actually, I have one more thing to put. I have the sesame oil. I'm just gonna put a little bit of sesame oil. Okay, maybe a half teaspoon. Alright, and then give this a good last mix. Make sure everything cover. Look at the color and look at how thick is the sauce. Oh, and smell really good right now. Alright, that's it. Very easy. Now we're done with sweet and sour chicken. Okay, look at how the steam come out. They smell really good. Okay, make sure you try your food, and then if you're happy with this, now all I have to do, I just gonna put in the plate and ready to try, ready to eat them all. Okay, now here we done our sweet and sour chicken. Now I ready to dig it in. Look at all this sauce. This so saucy, and the color and everything looks so good. And of course, they perfect with the rice. Perfect with jasmine rice. So I gotta get a big bite. Ooh, but might be really hot for me. Remind me when I'm young and I always eat this dish all the time. It's so good. Sweet, sour. Oh, please give this one a try. This very easy recipe for your weekday. 15 minutes to prep and 10 minutes to cook. And then you will end up with a very good sweet and sour chicken. Better than the restaurant takeout. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, if you like this recipe, please give me a thumb up, subscribe, and you will see me for the next recipe. Thank you.